Step into a spectrum where every hue tells a story. Hello everyone, today we're unboxing Thoovi's 5-tube secondary colors that pack a punch of personality. Inside this vibrant set you'll find bright orange, permanent green, blue violet, red violet and yellow green. Each shade is curated to unleash your boldness and most expressive mixes. Let's explore how these colors perform across 4 stunning features. The first on line is bright orange, which stains the paper boldly, blooms like a burst of sunlight in wet washes, blends smoothly into reds and yellows, and its transparencies make every layer glow with warmth. The next is permanent green, which is fresh and lively. It has a medium staining strength, perfect for clean layering, blooms into natural leafy textures, blends effortlessly with yellow green and layers softly. Red violet is romantic and radiant. Red violet stains strong, blooms with a velvety softness, blends beautifully with warm or cool tones and layers crystal clear for elegant glowing depth. Next on line is blue violet, a moody favorite. Blue violet is all about drama. It leaves a deep, bold mark, blooms like soft mist, blends seamlessly with cool tones, and its transparency helps build dreamy layered shadows. Yellow green is zesty and cheerful. It stains just enough to pop, blooms with a bright, playful energy, blends naturally with greens and oranges, and its transparency makes it perfect for juicy highlights and foliage. On the whole, the Thoovi's secondary color set gives you rich saturation, versatile mixing, elegant flows, layers that sing. Feel the freedom in every hue. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.